Have you seen those viral videos where AI is used to cut through glassy fruit? Well, lately, two new types of ASMR videos have been blowing up on TikTok. Don't believe me? Just look at this. This TikTok account is about to hit 120,000 followers and has over 4 million likes, with only 14 videos posted. Check out these view counts. The most popular one has 14 million views and it's still growing fast. And the rest of the videos? Also doing incredibly well. That 14 million view video was posted just 5 days ago. Now let's look at another account. Yeah, I know. It's kind of strange. But the view counts? Also insanely high. This one has a video with 12 million views, also posted just 5 days ago. So, if you're thinking of getting into this niche, now is the perfect time to start. In this video, I'll show you how to make both types of these ASMR videos step by step. If that sounds interesting, don't miss it. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. All right, let's get started. The first niche, I like to call it keyboard ASMR. But it's not just any keyboard. We're talking about AI-generated keyboards made of honey, chocolate, bubble wrap, cookies, and more. You can literally see sticky honey stretching out in long threads while creating this satisfying blend of gooey squish and crisp keyboard tapping sounds. There's also the sound of ice cracking on a frozen keyboard and the snap and pop of pressing a keyboard made of pita dough. Honestly, the creativity is off the charts. So how do you make these? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've prepared a universal prompt template for you. Just plug in your details and you're good to go. Anywhere else, you'd probably have to pay for this. But I'm giving it away for free. So make sure you watch until the end, because the link will be at the very end of the video. I even tried a few myself using this exact template. Let me show you how I did it. Now let me walk you through the full process. First, open the doc called Keyboard ASMR Template. You'll see the prompt is divided into 6 sections. Anything in red is what you need to customize. Everything else you can leave as is, or tweak slightly if needed. Subject: a surreal keyboard made of material with realistic texture. Just replace material with whatever you want, like honey, cookies, marshmallows, or chocolate. Action: a human hand with polished nails slowly presses the keys, emphasizing tactile movement and visual deformation. Background environment: lighting condition, on a desk surface with soft shadows and focus. So, for lighting condition, use things like natural white light, studio light, nighttime, etc. And for desk surface, choose wood, glass, marble, etc. Style: hyper-realistic ASMR with cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, glowing highlights. Camera movement: macro close-up with slow movement or steady shot. If you're making a 16:9 video, you can keep this setting. But for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can switch to a wide shot or long shot to make it easier to crop into a 9:16 format. I'll demo that too. Audio: material matching ASMR sound synced to each press. Just use the same material as you did earlier. Alright, let's change material to thick honey. Lighting to warm lighting. Desk surface to wooden desk surface. Then go to Gemini. Yep, that's right. I'm using Google VEO3 to create the video. Click Video, paste in the prompt. Wait just a few minutes. Boom, the video's ready. Let's play it. Now for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Let's adjust the camera shot and try again. Since I've already used up today's 3 free prompts on Gemini, I'll switch over to Google Flow. First, choose VEO3 Fast Mode. It's more affordable, 20 credits per time. Paste the same prompt. Change Macro Close-Up to Long Shot. Then hit Generate. Once it's done, just import the clip into CapCut and crop it to a 9:16 vertical format. So now your vertical video is ready to go. Of course, the AI ASMR world doesn't stop here. You can branch out into other niches, like AI mukbang, or AI slime squeezing. These videos also pull huge traffic on TikTok, so if you're curious, explore them further. And if you're looking for a monetized TikTok account, I highly recommend checking out the site. It's safe, simple, and you get paid after your first post. You can find the head over link in this video description. Now, let's move on to the second niche. I call it Weird Eat Self. It's exactly what it sounds like. A food, like a fruit or veggie with a carved human face, being fed pieces of itself. Yes, it's a little creepy, but believe it or not, it gets insanely high views. I know, it surprised me too. I made a few myself. Let's check them out. And yes, there's a template for this niche too. Just replace the red text with whatever fruit or veggie you want to use. Let's say orange, for example. Paste the prompt into Gemini or Google Flow. Wait a few minutes. Let's hit play. All right, friends, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. The full prompt I used with Google VEO3 will be shared in my WhatsApp channel. You can find the link in the pinned comment below. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. It really motivates me to keep making more content like this. Anyway, If haven't seen AI cutting glass fruit ASMR video before, you can move to my channel page and find this video to get free tutorial. Also, if you have any questions or want me to try out another niche, drop your ideas in the comments. I read them all and try to reply to everyone. Feel free to check out the rest of my channel anytime. You just might find some unexpected inspiration. Who knows, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck!